Hey everybody, it is Friday, so it's time for another What's Update. Ba-dum-bum-bow. I'm so glad you're out there. Thank you for supporting us. Here's what's on my mind this week. Look, here's the thing, YouTube. It's a means to an end, and also it's a really great way for us to connect when we can't gather in person. So I'm asking you this week, number one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Common Bond Yoga. Easy to find, and maybe you could get your mom to subscribe too. I mean, I'm not saying your mom needs to like chill out and do some like nice mindful yoga classes to make her a little more relaxed when she's around. But hey, maybe that would be good. So yeah, get your mom, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be a huge help. We're well on our way to that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I promise that I will throw you personally a party if we hit 1,000 subscribers this year, 2021. And once we get there, we can do some more really cool new things, special events, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so that's at the top of my list. But number two is, have you checked out the studios inside the Common Bond community yet? No, for real. We have 3 different amazing studios in addition to Common Bond Yoga inside of our Common Bond community. That means you can check out classes from Louise Hudson, from Karen Esty, or from Amber Alexander in their own studios inside the community, where you get up-to-date information, awesome new videos every week. Make sure you like and subscribe those too, and other really amazing things from those teachers. So check them out if you haven't already. And here's what's up, number 3. We will be back in person soon. I mean it, I promise. Couple weeks out. I'm just sorting out some details. You have no idea the sort of behind the scenes work that goes into software and booking classes and how complicated it can be if you want it to be. Mostly I just want to see you in person. So look for those updates via email, most likely, also via Instagram, most likely, probably not on Facebook, most likely. And you'll know when our first classes are launching in the studio because you have smashed that subscribe button. All right, that's it for today, and I just want to let you know. All right, bye.